आज चूँकि पहला दिन है और आज कल्चरल प्रोग्राम है, सब लोग एंजॉय कीजिए आज के प्रोग्राम को। फिर कल मुशायरा है, मुशायरा में भी लुत्फ लीजिएगा मुशायरे का। फिर 25 को भी आप लोगों का एक प्रोग्राम है, वो प्रोग्राम को देखेंगे, क्योंकि एंजॉय करने के लिए है। आज तो पूरे तौर पर आप एंजॉय कीजिए कल्चरल प्रोग्राम को। थैंक।
Dear students, who I cannot see properly, but I hope they are seated very nicely. The officials from the local administration, thank you for gracing the event and coming here to encourage our students who have been very excited to host this Oculus 2025 event after the breakage of 5 years. As we embark on this journey of making this medical college one of the best medical colleges in the country, we require everyone's support. Whether it's our students, faculties, management, staff, it has been a great teamwork to make us reach here. So I'd like to start my address to all of you, as I do not get the chance to address very often, and I look for these opportunities to address all of you whenever I can. So, first of all, I'd like to say we are here. It is with great pride and joy to welcome you all to the Foundation Day celebration of MMC. Over the years, MMC has grown into a premier medical institute. Since we started with our humble beginning from 2018,